Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Edge browser. In today's video, I'll show you how to update your Edge browser. So let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure just like so. And the next thing you want to do, come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on this to the top right here. And the next thing you want to do is to navigate to settings. So click on settings. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you scroll down right here all the way down until you get to about Microsoft Edge. So click on that. So in a few seconds, you can see checking for updates, provided that you have connected to internet. Allow the updates to run completely and your Microsoft Edge browser become fully complete. Start enjoying very good browsing experience using your Microsoft Edge browser. That's it. For more tutorials, so just like what you see right here, your Microsoft Edge is up to date, right? Microsoft Edge is up to date. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Microsoft Edge, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you